Dicky bird made up the family. Was the middle of November or somewhere near about. The family boarded off the home and traveled to the south. Said Tom will cost me 50 cents for the passage for to pay. Now who will take my Dicky bird while I am gone away? Well, Tommy met John early, and this to him did say, you'll take my little Dicky bird while I am gone away. Oh, Tom, you got a clever dick, like a wise, handsome hen. Oh, yes, I'll take your Dicky bird till you come back again. Well, ain't she passed her tiny ends and shouted out with joy? Oh, Tommy thinks so much of me, a great big handsome boy. Go get your hammer and your saw and build for him a crib. I long to see that rooster, I know he must be big. Well, Tom bought him the rooster and made it on the floor. While Emily declared she never saw the likes of him before. She claimed she never saw it like a racket ever heard. Of a rooster any bigger, the Tom Tobins Dicky bird. Well, ain't she loved the rooster, she loved to see him stand. She used to pat his foamy head and take him in her hand. The rooster he enjoyed the sport, the pleasure he did share with the wife of Tommy Hurley, when Tom Hurley was there. Well, Tommy went away and said, I cannot understand how you can love the rooster of another married man. We all sat down the table with our dish and spoon and scoop and fill our bellies to the brim with saucy rooster